In this quick guide, you'll learn how to check eBay sold comps, a valuable strategy for anyone looking to buy or sell items on eBay. Whether you're an online seller trying to price your inventory competitively or a savvy shopper wanting to ensure you're getting a fair deal, knowing how to check the sold prices of items can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. If you don't already have an account, you might find it helpful to create one, though it's not necessary for this task. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. This is where you'll type in the name of the product you're interested in. Be as specific as possible. For example, if you're looking for a particular model of a smartphone, include the model number to refine your search. After entering the product name, hit the search button. After the results page loads, you'll be presented with a variety of listings. These will include items currently up for sale, as well as some that might have ended recently. What you're looking for is a way to narrow these down to only the items that have been successfully sold. To do this, you'll need to adjust the filters. Scroll down to find these options on the left-hand side of the page. It might take a moment to locate them, especially if you're new to eBay's interface, but they're worth the search. As you scroll, look out for a section labeled Show Only. It's usually towards the bottom of the list of filters. Once you find it, click on it to expand more options. Here, you'll want to check the box that says Sold Items. This will automatically refresh the page to show only those items that have been sold recently, giving you a clearer picture of what people are actually paying for the product. Checking sold items provides you with several advantages. By viewing the actual selling prices, you can gauge the current market value of an item. This can help you set a competitive price if you're selling or determine a fair purchase price if you're buying. It's a straightforward way to avoid overpricing or overpaying. Remember, the prices you see will reflect the final selling price, which may include shipping costs. It's also worth noting that these prices can fluctuate based on factors such as demand, rarity, and condition of the item. So, as you review the sold listings, take note of any patterns or trends that might influence your decision. That's it. You now know how to check eBay sold comps. This simple yet effective technique is a powerful tool in both buying and selling scenarios on eBay. By understanding how to access and interpret this information, you can make more informed decisions and optimize your experience on the platform. Happy buying and selling, and may your eBay adventures be both profitable and enjoyable.